the series solution we will discuss here. Example we are discussing. Now suppose that we have a differential equation d square y by dx square plus xy is equal to 0. This we have to solve by a series method. Basically, we have to find a solution only, right? And we are finding with the help of series method, right? I will discuss here. So you compare this differential equation. This is p naught x d square y by dx square plus xy that is equal to 0. Now here you can see, if you compare this this question and this question, you can see this is the p dot p 0x is basically equal to 1, so it means not equal to 0, so at x equal to 0, so means it is only point. So only point is solved with the help of series solution. That's why I have written here, right? So simply, if the question is there that solve this question, then you have to select which method you have to choose, right? Now here, and point also, if nothing written, it means x equal to 0 you have to take. Now further, we will try to solve the differential equation with the help of series solution. So y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube plus dash 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 a n x to the power n. So this is basically a series solution, right? Because the differential equation is d square y by dx square plus xy is equal to 0. So it means, first of all, we have to find dy by dx, because our requirement is, here you can see, d square y by dx square. So dy by dx will be a naught will be equal to 0 because constant, plus a1 x means a1 as such, because differential of x will be 1. So similarly here it will be 2a2 x plus 3a3 x square plus dash 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 n a n x to the power n minus 1. That this will be the equation. Now further, if you further differentiate, it will be d square y by dx square is equal to a1 is constant here. So 2a2 plus 6a3 x square will be x only, right? Naturally, plus n vector start n minus 1, as such it will be coming here, right? It will be n x to the power n minus 2 and so on. If you see that, we have to now put the value of this one, this equation y and d square y by dx square, because in the differential equation we have a d square y by dx square plus xy equal to 0. Mean d square y by dx square we have to put, and y we have to put. And if you put these values, this x you can take inside here. Means this y will become xy, means it will be a naught x and so on, right? Further, if you see, put the values, this question d square y by dx square plus xy equal to 0. So this is d square y by dx square, that is 2a2 plus 6a36 3x plus dash 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 and so on, right? Now further, here x is there, multiply by y, means y we have to write, and x you can take inside. Here, that's why we have written x not x, x not a not x, plus a not x plus a1 x square plus a2 x cube plus a3 x cube 4 and so on. Now, in this question, we will try to equate the lowest power of x. Same method, any type of question can be there, right? If this is a series solution, mean only point is there, then same method will be using in every type of question. Whichever the question may be, same method will be using. So now further, so getting the coefficient of lowest power of x. Lowest power you see here, it is not there, mean x to the power 0, x here and so on. Here a naught x, a1 it is x here, it is x here, x cube, x4 and so on. So it means lowest power is x to the power 0. So here the coefficient of x to the power 0 is 2a2. So means 2a2 is equal to 0, which implies it is a2 is equal to 0 because 2 will be coming to the side. So it is 0. Similarly, now the next coefficient we can compare because this was x to the power 0. So next will be x naturally, right? You can see here 6a3x. This is here, x here only, right? And x here only also. So it means if you combine these two, answer will be 6a3 plus a naught. This one, same value is equal to 0, which implies a0 you can take that side. So 6a3 will be equal to minus a0, right? Or it will be equal to a3 will be equal to minus a3 minus a0 by 6. Now, in same way, you can find all the values, but the simple way is we find the reconciliation. Recurrence formula we will try to find so that any coefficient if you want, we can calculate with the help of that. So for that, we will try to compare the coefficients of x to the power n, x to the power n. This is x to the power n plus 2 into n1, n plus 1, this one, an plus 2 further, plus because x to the power n plus 1 is an. So coefficient of x to the power n will be an minus 1. So that we have written. So taking to that side, it will be n plus 2 into n plus 1, we will take to that side also. So our relation will be an plus 2 is equal to minus an minus 1, this side, right, divided by this part, n plus 2 and plus 1. This both we can take here, right? So now you can see here, this is the explanation. If you put n equal to 1, it will be a0, it will be a3, right? a0. So what is the value of a0? We are not knowing, right? So a3 you can calculate here, right? Because a3 we know, right? So put the value of 3 and the power 1, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 3 6 minus a0. So same value we have already calculated. This is only to check the formula that whether our formula is okay or not. Further you can put further values like n equal to 3 we can put, right? So equal to 3 means a5 we can calculate, right? You can see here a5 will be what, right? 3 minus 2, right? a2 will be 0, so a5 will be 0. Similarly, A7, if you see, A7 means n is equal to 5. So 5 means this 5 minus 1, right? 4, A4 you can calculate, right? So you can add the values. Similarly, so any value, any relation you can calculate like further A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, that's all. It means any value of a you can calculate with this. You can see here now. Put n equal to 2 there, a4 we can calculate, and put n equal to 3, it is a minus a2 20 because a2 0, right? That's why answer will be 0. So on. So now put the value of a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on in the final answer, in the solution, because this is the question we have early written. Y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus dash. So you can see here it is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square, because a2 was 0, so that's why this part is 0. So further a3 is equal to minus a naught by 6, right, plus a4 x4. a4 is what, minus 8 1 by 12 x to the power 4. So this is the basically the solution of a differential equation, right? This we only know that this we have solved with the help of this series so you can solution, right? So power series solution basically because because nothing was written that at which point we have to solve this. So that's why we assume that it is x equal to 0. And we have seen that this is our ordinary point. So whenever the point is ordinary, so series solution we have to find that this same method we will be using, right? Means first of all we write the y value of y, then dy by dx we will try to find, then d square y by dx square and so on. Then put the values. Then whatever we will try to compare the lowest power of x. Then find a reconciliation, find the value of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, then put in the answer, that is answer. Here you can see answer is y is equal to A naught plus A1x minus A naught plus 0, A naught by 6 x cube. So here only A naught and A1 are left only. So this you can find by some condition, right? Here this is solution only. Thank you.